Yes, tell me. What is your doubt?
Can you please show once that yesterday's HTML file?
Everything I will show you, no hurries. Okay. Yeah. So here I will upload into the server also that one. That file. So yesterday we created one folder with the name. What is the name I given? Do you remember? ANG, right? Yes. So this is the HTML. Yeah, guess and tell me what the code I have written in this HTML file.
One
Yes.
script tag you are written and give that
In script tag, what I have written, tell me.
pro.ts file.
A script and what is the property name? For pro.ts we applied to which property?
Source property. SRC.
SRC. That is only there in this HTML file. What is there seen? I think is there.
But for me, output not coming. That's why.
Yeah, I will open that one. You can see this.
Yeah, only welcome are there.
And those are everything you can remove here. Simple script. That is only text message, no? So yes, that's.
Oh, pro.js we are given.
Yeah, we need to bind the JavaScript file with this browser.
I has mentioned as the TS. That's why.
No. TS will not work at all. TS is for our convenience.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you.
Any other doubts you have, you can ask me. Any other queries, any other doubts?
No, from my side.
Okay, fine. Now I will go for the next concept. So right now I'm not using any IDE.
Every time if we have change in HTML file, we has to compile that program.
No. So close this. Okay. Yeah, that is fixed only. Change it, I think to change that. Open this, double click. Okay. Now it is open, but in this pro.ts file, I guess we are not printing anything. Okay. So right now I'm explaining with edit plus. Later I will discuss with the other IDEs like Visual Studio Code, like the different types of IDEs. As right now we are not printing anything. For example, let start. Now, if I refresh this browser, will it display that start directly? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
I mean, after saving, we have to.
I saved this file. I saved this file. Na? Sorry,
this
file. I saved this file. In this TS file, this is TS file or JS file?
TS file.
TS file.
Yes.
Yeah. So will it display the start directly?
I think we need to. I think we need to compile this one because it is a TS file.
Yes. I'm waiting for that point. We need to compile this file. Okay. How can I compile this one?
TSC space pro.ts. You need to open the command prompt.
Yeah. So where I can open the command prompt?
Directly
Click here.
Yes.
What is the
CMD.
Then
Enter.
Yeah, and that. So it is taking some time to load this. Then
TSC space pro.java.
TSC space pro.ts.
Sorry, TSC. Sorry.
Enter.
Pro TS is not compulsory. .ts is not compulsory.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it is compiling that script. Right. It is compiled successful. What the next step? So refresh this
Browser.
Page.
Browser.
Scott is I'm modifying here. Alert. Tell me fast. I saved this one. If I refresh this browser, will it display that alert message? Yes or no?
No. Only
Second.
Scott
Only first
message.
one. Only first one. Scott
Only
will-
first Scott.
Only
No, to
First.
Scott will
First,
display,
Yeah.
not display the alert. That one.
Second alert.
Then what we should do now?
Second
In
need to compile-
CMD, we can run that, and after that, we can find
PSC,
both output.
PRO,
Pro.
right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Now here, refresh this.
Refresh. Hmm.
Look at the-
Scott, I mean,
Hmm.
yes, like the Durga. So next one here, alert. Zoom mode is open. Alert. Sam. Save this. And if I refresh this browser, will it display the SAM?
No.
Yeah, every
Two
time we need
output
to compile
are there,
this.
yeah.
Every time we need to compile this program, right? Yeah,
Yes.
that is a headache, not for us. Every time come to this command prompt, okay, and compile this program. That is very big headache. So for that, we need to open with watch mode. TSC PRO -- watch. So what is this watch mode? Yeah, this watch mode will check the updates. Okay. This watch mode will check the updates. Whenever this script is updated, okay, then automatically it will re-execute that one. Okay, like
Sir, one question. So TSC is for like TypeScript compiler.
Compile.
So,
Compilation means
so
it
what-
is checking for errors. It is checking for errors, and later, okay, it is converting the TypeScript into JavaScript.
JS file. Okay, so
Yeah.
then what is the difference with NPM, sir? Because generally when we do, when we start downloading the node modules, we run the command, we run the application through npm start, right? So I'm just trying to understand. So why are you using TSC, sir?
I'm not understanding your point, first of all. What you want to ask me directly?
And I'm
Actually,
saying like
go.
for Angular, we do like in node modules installation, then we start the application with npm start, right?
NPM ng serve we are using, not NPM start.
NG,
Yeah.
sir. Okay.
Yeah, what is your
So
question?
what is the difference? Like you're using the command TSC.
What is the difference between? Tell me, what are the things between? What are the things are there? What is the difference between? Between what?
TSC and NG, sir. That one.
TS is different, NG serve is different. Don't go for the NG serve now. Okay. So because we are discussing the TypeScript commands right now. Okay, TypeScript concepts we are discussing. So to compile the TypeScript program, we are using TSC command. So here there is no Angular right now. Okay, we are not using Angular. So just pure TypeScript we are discussing. After
Your
some
text.
days, I will
Okay, fine.
discuss the Angular concept. I will integrate the Angular with this. So that time we should use ng sub. Okay.
Okay, yeah, got it.
I'll come to this point. Yeah, now watch mode. Watch mode is open here. By 9:16:15 a.m. it is started. Recently it is compiled 9:16:31. What the benefit of this watch mode? Nothing is there. If I modify the script, alert. Save this. When I refresh it now, Scott, Amit, Sam. So wait, it is not re-uploaded. Scott, Amit, Sam. Still, it is compiling in backend.
Usually it will take for compilation, it will take some time.
So see, yeah.
Once it is completed, we can.
It is in select mode. Yeah. Save this. Yeah, it is recompiled now. Now you can see here the refresh. Scott, Amit, Sam, Santosh. For example, here alert Suresh. Save this. This recompile. And if I refresh, Scott, Amit, Sam, Santosh, Suresh, like that will get this output. Yes, means every time
We no need to compile manually.
1 second. Now, if you observe this one, every time, so we need not reload that, re-execute the script automatically. It is executing. It is clear? Yes. I mean, it is compiling that one. So updates are coming here. So delete everything. Alert. ABC. Save this. And refresh now. What is the output of this ABCD?
ABCD.
Yeah. Is it displaying that ABCD or not? What is the output of this program? ABCD is the output of this program. Is it clear? Like that it is all. So like that we are using this one. So here Control C is the termination for this. What is that? Control C. So TSC, what the command I have given?
So hyphen
And what dot TS?
hyphen
Hyphen W also you can give. Yes. You can also give hyphen W. Yes, this is a shortcut of hyphen W. Yes. So this is clear, I guess, right?
Yes.
So this is watch mode. Next one. For example, multiple TypeScript files if we have. How can we compile those TypeScript files? That concept we discussed. Okay, watch mode is clear now? Yeah. Now, how many TypeScript files we have in this location?
2.
2 are.
One.
TypeScript file is one file only, right? Now copy this file. Paste. Now here, how many files we have now?
Three types.
Three.
Three files. One is PRO, next one PRO copy. So I'm changing this name as PRO1. And this name I'm changing as PRO2. Like that. Like that. Yes, yeah, fine. Now here the thing is, I want to work with this. Multiple compilations here. Yes. Yeah. So multiple compilations I'm using here. Okay. Now just we are using those compilations here. So how to work with these multiple compilations here? Okay. That's the main point here.
There is a noise disturbance. Please stop this there.
So
Noise background.
now open the command prompt. Yeah, these three files I want to compare at a time, or two files. For example, PRO and PRO2 I want to compare. Then here TSC, PRO, PRO2. That's all. You can also use PRO.ts, PRO2.ts like that. Now you can see it is compiled these two files. Yes.
Yes.
You can see the output now. Yes, PRO is there and PRO2 is there like that. Yes, these are the outputs which we got. Okay, fine. So this is the way how to compile the multiple TypeScript files. In case all TypeScript files you want to compare, 100 TypeScript files are there. Can you provide 100 names like this?
Can you provide star.ts like that instead of
What is that?
star.ts?
That is in OS, now that is star is operating system related command.
Okay.
I don't use here.
Okay.
Yeah, so here for that one file is required. I'm going to write that file information. So where is your notes? Yeah. Yeah. So now here one file is available, that is nothing but tsconfig.json file. So come down here. tsconfig.json. So what is the purpose of this file? Yes. So here it contains the configuration settings of TypeScript. Okay. Yes. What is that? contain the configuration settings of TypeScript. This file contains, okay, configuration settings of TypeScript. That's the first point. Next one, we can also use this file to execute multiple TypeScript files at once. So this is about tsconfig.json file. Yeah. What is the main purpose of this file? The main purpose is nothing but, yeah. So this is containing, this file contains the all configuration settings of TypeScript. Okay. Yeah. Next one. We can use this file in which point of view? To execute multiple TypeScript files at a time. In a single shot, you want to execute the TypeScript files. In that point of view, also we are using this tsconfig.json. Yes. Now, right now I am explaining you how to compile the multiple TypeScript files at once. That program I will discuss with you. So later we will discuss, yes, how to use this configuration settings. Okay, but as of now we are discussing how to compile the multiple TypeScript files at once. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, in this location, I am creating that file. Which file we need to create? So first, let me delete these programs. Yeah. Now, new file, save this. tsconfig.json. Or this file here, tsconfig.json. Okay, I'm not writing any content in this file. Okay, so now open the command prompt. Simple tsc command I am using. So command prompt is loaded. Already command prompt we have. Okay. So the same location command prompt. Okay, no problem. So tsc command I am using. That's all. Now you can see you will get 3 JS files. Yeah, we are getting this all 3 JavaScript files. This is about tsconfig.json file. Yes, so here now you can ask me, sir, what is the use of this file? Yes, so for two regions we are using this file. I told you. One is, yeah, what is the first one I told you?
Configuration.
Yeah. Yes, for configuration settings here. Okay, second one is to run the tsc command. So let me delete these 3 once again. Now, if I give, so this file also I want to delete, tsconfig.json. Actually, this is the main file. That file I'm deleting now. And I am using tsc command. Now, this command will not work. Yes, this command will not work. So, compulsory, that file should available here. Which file? tsconfig.json file. Again, undo this. Okay, we got this file. Now, tsc command, if I give here, what is that? Okay, so once clear the screen. Yeah. So tsc command I have given. Now it is compiling this one. Now you can see this. We are getting again these 3 files. This is about tsconfig.json. Yeah. So it is clear. You can ask me doubts in this point. I guess all of you clear with this tsconfig.json file. So what is this file and why we are in this file? That clarity got, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts you have, now you can ask me. So nothing code we can write in this file. That file should be available there. That is the main point here. Okay. So any doubts, any questions you have, you can ask me.
Good, sir.
You're good, right?
Yeah.
So we discussed specific files, how to compile the specific files, that concept we discussed. Okay. And yeah. Next one we also discussed how to work with that all files compilation. Yes. So these points we have discussed. I guess you got the clarity in this point of view. Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Next one here. Arrays concept we need to discuss. What is array and how to work with that array? That concept we need to discuss. Yeah, according to you, what is array? Tell me. So you know, some people have idea on this array concept.
Sequential
In
contiguous
Java,
element set.
array is a set of homogeneous elements.
Contiguous
It is
element.
a collection of elements.
Yeah, collection of elements.
Elements.
Here, what is this tsc command? So compiles all files. This nodes I'm providing. Now come to this array concept. Array is collection of elements. Yes. So array is nothing but what? Collection of elements. Yes. So here, every element is a combination of index and value. Array is collection of elements. Each element is combination of index and
And size of array is also fixed.
what is that?
Size of array is also fixed. So at the time of declaration, we need to cover the size.
So here array is collection of similar elements or different elements. Different elements collection or similar elements collection.
No, it's a contiguous. It means a single type of.
Huh?
Just single type we can put in a one array. So either
Similar type.
Similar.
Not similar type, we can also use the different type of elements. Yes, yeah.
Yes.
We can store any type of elements in array. See, if we take C, C++, these technologies, okay, these technologies contain the similar data. That's why you can use similar, means data types are there. That's why you can use similar type. If you take not .NET, PHP, JavaScript, these technologies, we don't have data type. That's why different types of elements we can use. We can store in the array. Come to this TypeScript, okay. Guess and tell me, TypeScript we can use similar elements or different elements?
I think it's a similar element. So
In TypeScript, we are able to use different elements.
Different
Yeah,
also,
different
no? Any type is there. Yes.
Any type of, yeah.
Can you put at a time two different kind of like variables, two types of data types in array?
For example, if I declare array with number type, then we should store all numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I declare array with string type, then we are using different types. Yes. Yeah, 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the point here. Okay. So what is the difference between normal variable and array variable? Tell me.
Variable can store one value, array can store multiple.
Tell me what? Huh? What is the difference between these two? Normal variable and array variable.
So usually we are using to store
Yeah, for
multiple
example,
values.
collection of records you want to store. Then we are taking the support of array.
Array.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here a variable can store single value. Array can store collection of values. In case all records I want to store in a location, database records, then we are using array. All usernames I want to store in a location, we are using array. Right. Yes. So variable can store single value, array can store collection of values. The concept of array. So now I am declaring the array in our program where ARR equal to 10, 20, 30, 90. So type I am using colon number. So now here you want to store the direct value, then we are using like this. Array collection you want to store, we are using this brackets. Yes, ARR colon number is equal to what is that? 10, 20, 30. So this is the symbol for array. We can call it as offset. What is that? Offset. Okay. Yeah. Let ARR. I'm printing that array. Now save this and go to this command prompt. So here tsc. So what the file actually where I created? Sorry, ts.config.json. Well, let me close this. Yeah, this is our program. Yeah, save here. So pro.ts hyphen tab. Watch mode means continuous updates will recompile itself. So now come to this program, refresh it. We are getting old output because it is not compiled yet. Now refresh it. What the output we got here? 10, 20, 10. Like that we are getting that. Is this clear?
Yes.
Is the way how to work with it. For example, let see that. Now save this. Refresh it. Yes, you can see 10 it out. ARR of 1. Save this. And reload this one. 20 out. Yes, yeah, this is the way how to work out this one. So now, so how to declare this array? You got the clarity. So I am using just any. Then you can store string also. Scott. Yes, save this, and it is recompiling now. When I'm refreshing, Scott is the output. But if I use number, then the compiler point of view will get the error message. Yes, see here, give the error message because yeah, it is still compiling. Yes, you can see now you got the error message because the thing is it is executing this. Yes. So we have given number type, but you are trying to store the string value. That's an error is there. Okay, so we should use yes. Yes. Now array related functions are there. We need to discuss about those functions. Array related functions. So those functions I will discuss in the next session. So by today demos are completed for you. Okay, and day after tomorrow again you have class. Tomorrow due to festival you don't have class. Day after tomorrow onwards regular sessions. Okay, and the link also will change. Okay, so that's why you should fulfill that payment details, everything. Okay, if you have any pending, then you will get the updated link to you. And here this file I am uploading into server. You can download this one. So give me 1 minute time. I will upload it to the server. Yes. So I'm uploading now. Yes. Now here, just I will type that URL address in chat window you can download. So here, this ANGU.txt. What is our file name here? Yeah. So now you can download this file. You can, if you enter this in URL address browser, that file will open just like this. Okay, this URL address. All of you check it out. Copy this message and paste here. Yes, you can copy this content and Monday onwards, not Monday, sorry. So day after tomorrow onwards, I will give you another URL address to download the notes also because paid link will come now. So by today you can use this. Okay. Yes. So tomorrow due to Diwali, no class. Okay, again we have a class day after tomorrow. Happy Diwali. We can leave now. Demos are completed. And day after tomorrow onwards, I will spend up to that ending time. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.